Welcome sa aming shop. Nandito na tayo sa loob ng shop. Okay, no problem. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, itutur ko kayo dito sa shop namin. Since wala pa yung delivery natin, itutur ko kayo kung ano yung mga meron tayo ditong brand sa loob ng shop namin. So first, ito yung mga brand namin. Meron kami ditong Victorinox, P Quadro, Delsey, Ecolac, Winger, and Kipling. Yung department pala to is travel department. Pinaka main like a brand namin dito pala is Delsey. So yung majority na stocks namin, mga display namin is Delsey. Ayan. So we are in outlet. So nice. As you can see, sometimes pag outlet kasi wala dito yung mga latest collection. So minsan mga broken sizes ang mga nandito. So ito yung soft case. Meron tayo ditong hard cases. Ito yun naman yung Ecolac. Ecolac, it's a Japanese brand. So they have also 3 types of material. They have polycarbonate, they have polypropylene, and they have ABS. So this is the polypropylene for Ecolac, just like a medium range. And this is polycarbon. So this is one of the top of the line material. For the Delsey, we do have also 100% polycarbon over here, and we have also mixed material. So pag sinabi nating mixed material, it's combination of polycarbon and ABS. So this is our collections for mixed materials. So we do have also double zipper, we have single zipper. So the warranty, it depends on the model. So we have starting warranty for Delsey, we have 2 years, we have 3 years, and 5 years, and 10 years. So this side, this is our Kipling together with Eastpak. It's a US brand. So the warranty for Eastpak is 30 years warranty, and for Kipling it's 2 years. We do have also here Winger. So Winger, they have 5 years warranty, and our premium, it's a Ports design. So this is with the lifetime warranty. So pag sinabi nating lifetime warranty, the body itself, it's not covered, it's not included. So the warranty will be the mechanism. So it means the wheels, handle, zipper, stitches, and TSA lock. So nandito ang ating Kipling. Ayan, marami tayo ditong Kipling. So recently na re-merchandise namin to. Ayan. So wala kami ditong kumpletong collections, pero this is our driver again late. What happened? How many?
5 trolley.
5 trolley?
Yes, 100.
My God, that's
3.
3, ah? Don't make it. Yeah, both of you are lying. You're always lying. Okay, na-receive na natin ang ating delivery.
Keep it all here, okay?
Yeah.
Then count, then sign.
How many? We have not much, but so guys, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating vlog, naka-receive tayo na ngayon ng 35 pieces na mga luggage. So 35 lang guys yung na-receive natin ngayon. We're so lucky. Lucky tayo ngayon kasi 35 pieces lang. And so mag-ano na tayo, mag-check na tayo, pirmahan natin to para bukas ma-collect na ng driver. So guys, yung shop natin is already been opened. So guys, I just wanna say thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta at palagi nanonood ng aking video. So, big shout out doon sa new followers natin and subscribers dito sa YouTube. So, maraming salamat guys. Thank you. God bless you all. And don't forget, kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, kung OFW kayo, mabuhay sa ating lahat na mga OFW sa ang sulok ng mundo. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa ating mga susunod na video. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you so much and goodbye.